Well, good morning, folks. It's 6:15 in the morning in Oklahoma City. I started my drive earlier today, about 5:30 from the campground because campground is very unpleasant, dusty, noisy. People were arriving at 10 p.m. as I was falling asleep with their huge boats, trying to wedge them into tiny, narrow parking spots. It was just commotion for another 45 minutes or so. So I decided that rather than spending my morning there among noisy crowd, I will head to my next destination, which is Lake Meredith in Texas. It's a first come, first serve campground. So I'd like to get there as soon as possible. Today is already Saturday, so many people arrive on Friday. I may or may not have a campsite there, but I need to get early and see if I get something reasonable. Another vast view on the prairie of Texas. 68 miles from Lake Meredith. 75 miles per hour speed limit. Road is mostly straight. Traffic is low. Views are very relaxing. And it's a beautiful day to travel. Hi folks, I am all set here at Lake Meredith campsite. I was able to snag reasonably good campsite. If you look in the van is tucked off the road. I had to put it on the maximum height bricks in order to level it. It's not perfect, but it will do. Behind me is a beautiful view. So it's 72 degrees, light breeze so far. I made myself barley and fruit breakfast. Of course, it's freeze-dried, and I just rehydrated it. I'm going to add some of the preserve for sweetness because I didn't have breakfast today, departing from the Lake Thunderbird campground. Really didn't like this place. This is so much better, so much cleaner, beautiful, and it is free. So this is quite unbelievable, actually. So I am going to eat my breakfast and then gear up and go for a hike. It will be beautiful to walk along the lake, take pictures, and come back and enjoy the rest of the day here at the campsite. And tomorrow, probably early morning again, I will continue to Black Canyon campground. So far, I'm very happy with my day today. It was a beautiful ride. No traffic, even on Highway 40. And here in Texas, straight shots, 75 miles an hour. It was beautiful. Starting my hike on Lake Meredith. It's pretty windy, and it's going to get even windier. If you could see, the trail kind of traces along the hills over there towards some point in that little cove of the lake, and it's in and out trail, so 2.5 miles in, 2.5 miles down, back. So that's about what it is. So I'm going to go for a hike while the wind is not at its maximum, and the afternoon maybe hunkering down at the campsite or inside of the van. So let's get exercise. Now I'm on the trail, and it's kind of fun trail because it's sort of not very technical at all, and you have a great view of the water and the hill on the other side. It's nice switchbacks. It's well designed and accessible pretty much to everyone. It's a kind of wonderful day in a way. It's windy, keeps the bugs at the distance, and it's 75 degrees, maybe more now. It's supposed to be high of 84 and then cools down to 72 by the end of the day. So just a absolutely gorgeous day, and I'd probably spend the rest of my day sitting there under the shade, away from sun, looking at the lake, contemplating all kinds of things. Maybe there's a little bit of a signal here. Maybe watch some of my favorite YouTube creators, catch up on news. What a way to spend vacation. Come, hunt for a camping site, got one, had some nice food, did. Now hiking, and after hiking, relax for a bit. Wouldn't be time to have another meal for a couple of hours. And then have my lunch, enjoy the rest of afternoon and evening. Hopefully we will see some interesting sunset, because the partially cloudy skies are very conducive to beautiful sunsets. Maybe not, we'll see. So, life is good. Very expansive view of the lake. The hills across as well as on this side. Still fishing, and I'm still walking. Just to mention that this trail is kind of overgrown now, and the grasses, and particularly the spiky plants, very quickly. You have to really make sure that you put long pants rather than shorts like I have it. I mean, it's just scratchy. Hi folks, this is still a very windy day, but I managed to cook myself, by now you know what, my favorite dish. Just blow it in, turn the hand around. My favorite dish. What is it? You guessed it right. It's a sweet potato with onions, shallots actually this time, and mung beans and eggs. Olive oil, there's that oil, avocado, which needs to be eaten, all of that. Eggs are stored in the refrigerator. The rest of the stuff very nicely, just in a black box, food black box I use. And this is totally incredible dish. It's nutritious, caloric, not in a bad way, but it's a large quantity of food, because per gram of this dish there are actually many fewer calories than in standard American diet. So that's why they consume a lot of good fiber containing food. And this is all I'm going to eat for lunch. So I'm going to dig in for a while still. By the way, tea, as usual, white tea in a tea extractor, as you can see in real time. Already starting to extract the perfect essence of it. And of course, since I haven't fried potato, I have to have herring pickled and dill marinade. So, if I would ask for a perfect meal in a perfect place, this place qualifies, and this meal is absolutely the perfect meal, which, for me, the bugs are also liking it. Anyway, I'm gonna have my lunch, and I'll see you later, possibly, for the sunset.